Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a Tuesday morning haul. Hope you are having an awesome Friday. I know I am. I was able to have lunch and meet Miss Audrey today, who is so good all here on YouTube. Hi Audrey, thank you so much for meeting me. It was such a pleasure to meet you today. It's always nice to meet crafty friends that we have been talking to and seeing their projects online. So it was very nice to meet her today. After I met with Audrey and had lunch with her, I was able to stop at a couple of Tuesday mornings really quick before I had to get back home. And so this is what I picked up. So let me share with you very quickly. I was able to find two dies, which I'm really excited about. Two Tonic Studio dies. Found several, but these are the only two that I said yes to. So this one says congrats and congratulations. There's a stamp set that goes with this one. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Really quick. Here is the stamp set, and then here is the die, really nice size die, and then the word congrats. And this is what it looks like. I did cut it out for you guys. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And I love the way it folds and how you can kind of see the white when you fold it. Isn't that absolutely adorable? You could attach this obviously to a card, a banner, a wand. My daughter is graduating this year, so I'm going to be working on lots of stuff for her friends, for the seniors. So that is why I picked this one up. So yes to this die. I did pop it up on some foam in case you're wondering, to give that congrats some dimension. But I'm loving this die. So happy I picked it up. The other die I picked up is this champagne bottle, and this is what it looks like. I did die cut it out, so let me show you. I used this rose gold paper that I actually hauled today. It's a die cuts with a view stack, and I'm going to share with you in just a second what it looks like. But as you can see, you can layer it, and the gold's still in this bottom piece, but you can lay the little pieces inside and have a two-tone champagne bottle. How pretty would that be? So I'm really happy with the size of the die, and like that you can make it really pretty. So happy with the two dies that I found today. All right, as if I needed more dies. All right, I was able to find Snow and Cocoa again. These are 8 treat bags. It was $1.99. And I love these little treat sacks, and they're just different patterns in here. But I especially love those trees, and those pastel colors just get me. I just love it. So I picked these up for little Christmas goodies for crafty friends. I did find this Dear Lizzie card envelope set. I did see Gloria haul this, and I thought it was super cute. I love all the little cards, so they have a little bit of gold foiling on them. And the thing about this card set is that you can always use it to die cut with, or fussy cut out. You could add somebody's name and stickers and put it in Happy Mail. Extra cute. And what's really cute about this set is, here's the gold polka dot, is that it has these adorable envelopes that match. And then on the back, they're scalloped. How adorable is that? I didn't even realize that it had a scalloped envelope. This one says hello, really pretty. Here's the envelope. And then again, I just love how it's scalloped on the back. And you know, we can always create our own envelope and make our own, use our dies for a cute little flap. So that's another way you can use your dies. There's this one, and that's the front of that one. Just love this little set. This one says Happy Day, and again, it's foiled. You could cut that out, add it to a project. Here's the envelope, and then again, it has the pretty scalloped on the back. Really fun set. And then this is the last card. It says, you're a whole lot of lovely. Oh my gosh, I really love this one. Isn't that extra cute? And of course, you could fussy cut out that banner, add some brads or bling. Really cute. So I'm really happy with this little card set, and it was only $2. So that was an awesome find there. I did find some paper, and I'm going to show you that in a second. And then I did find this Snow and Cocoa pom-pom set that everyone's been hauling, and I just went ahead and picked it up because I have been collecting all the pieces to this collection. So I'm going to go ahead and keep collecting that as I see it. All right, so here's the first paper pad. It's Holly Jolly Christmas, and this is Echo Park. Really fun Christmas paper set. And of course, there's 12 by 12 double-sided papers in here, and a coordinating sticker sheet. And I'll just do a quick flip through for you, but it's super, super cute. Look at the houses. There's stripes. I love the Christmas trees. I don't know what it is, but I love these little Christmas trees. They're just so extra cute. Love the plaid. And there's some like little cut aparts. And we've got snowflakes and stockings. Some Christmas words. Really, really cute. Again, some ornaments. And then you get this really cute sticker sheet. How super cute is that? So this is going to be fun to play with. And then this is the Die Cuts with a View, the rose gold solids. If you see this, highly recommend picking this up. It's so pretty. I'll do a quick flip through. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that. It's gorgeous. There's an iridescent one. This one's embossed, if you can see that. And then this really pretty glitter. It's gorgeous. And then this rose gold foil. And then another pretty glitter paper. So pretty. Happy I found that. And then last but not least, I did find Perfect Princess by Lori Whitlock. And again, this is another Echo Park. And there is the price. And I'll do a quick flip through of this so you can see how adorable it is. I mean, so cute, right? So if you find this, and I especially love the purple, as you know, that's my favorite color. Unicorns, look at those frogs. It's so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, love it. Love this little collection. And of course it has the sticker sheet, which is super cute as well. There's a little prince and then several different little girl princesses. So super cute, fun paper that I found. That is my quick haul for you today. Please leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.